Hello students, today we will discuss the next important question from the story Fur written by Saki. The question is: a cloud has a silver fur lining. Read the lines carefully and bring out the humor in these lines. Can you point out some other similar instance of humor in the story? So the answer to this question is Suzanne and Eleanor are friends in the story Fur. They plan to trap Bertram to get an expensive birthday gift for Suzanne. Suzanne has a very rich cousin named Bertram, and both Suzanne and Eleanor plan to trap Suzanne's cousin Bertram to get an expensive or a costly birthday gift for Suzanne. They decide to take Bertram to a department store and suggest him to buy a silver fox fur as a birthday gift for Suzanne. So both of them decide to take Bertram to a departmental store where silver fox fur is available. But in the meanwhile, Eleanor gets annoyed with Suzanne and decides to teach her a lesson. But after they planned for Bertram to take him to a departmental store and buy a silver fox fur as a birthday gift for Suzanne, in the meanwhile, Eleanor gets annoyed with Suzanne and decides to teach her a lesson. In the departmental store, Eleanor gets an opportunity to be alone with Bertram. So, in an anger, Eleanor gets an opportunity to be alone with Bertram, who is cousin of Suzanne. She uses the same trap for her own benefit. She talks about Suzanne's birthday and her own birthday. She tells him that Suzanne has got everything one can think of, even a fan will do for her. So, when both of the ladies, Suzanne and Eleanor, meet Bertram, Eleanor gets an opportunity to be alone with Bertram, and in that time, in the meanwhile, she tells Bertram about the birthday gifts which Suzanne has already got, and so she becomes successful in trapping Bertram to buy the expensive fur as a birthday gift for herself. Even a fan will do for her. She tells Bertram that Suzanne has everything one can think of, so even a fan as a birthday gift will do for her. She tells him that none of her own relations are well off, so she cannot expect them to give a nice birthday gift. She tells Bertram, Eleanor tells Bertram that she has none of her own relations who are rich, so she cannot expect such expensive gifts from them. She tells Bertram a made up sub story that once her distant uncle, a very rich man, promised to give her a silver fox stole for her birthday. It was something she really craved for, but her uncle could not keep his promise due to the death of his wife about that time. Eleanor further tells him that to this day she cannot control her tears whenever she finds somebody with the silver fox stole. So, in order to trap Bertram to buy her a costly fox fur silver fox stole, she makes she tells him a made up story. She tells him that once one of her uncles promised her to give her as a birthday gift a silver fox stole, but because of the death of his wife, he could not keep his promise. And till that day, when she uh, sees someone having that silver fox stole, she cannot control her tears. When Eleanor and Bertram reach the fan counter of the store, Eleanor pushes Bertram in the fan counter and asks him to buy a beautiful fan for Suzanne as a birthday gift. And while they talk with each other, while their conversation with each other, both Eleanor and Bertram reach a fan counter. Then Eleanor uh, she forces Bertram to she forces Bertram to go to the fan counter and buy a beautiful fan for Suzanne as a birthday gift. Some days later, Suzanne telephones Eleanor and complains of having received a wretched fan as a gift from Bertram. She comes to know that Eleanor has received a silver fox stole from Bertram. Eleanor, after some days, Suzanne calls, she telephones Eleanor and tells her and complains about very having a poor of a very low quality as a gift from Bertram. At that time, she comes to know that Eleanor has received a silver fox stole from Bertram, who is actually the cousin of Suzanne. As a result, a cloud has arisen between the friendship of the two young women. So there becomes a friction in the friendship of both of the ladies, Eleanor and Suzanne. But Eleanor does not mind this because this cloud has a line in a humorous manner. He means to say that though the relation between the two women has become strained, but Eleanor has succeeded in getting silver fox fur as a gift. This line that this cloud has a line. This line has something humorous has something humorous. Uh, by using this line, the writer wants to say, he means to say that though the relation between the two women, Eleanor and Suzanne, has become strained, but Eleanor has succeeded in getting silver fox fur as a gift from Bertram. There are some other similar instances of humor in the story. The author says that Bertram is a kind of distant cousin of Suzanne's mother and is so rich that the family has never let the relationship drop out of sight. As we have already discussed in there is a sentence in the story uh, that Bertram was so rich that Suzanne's family has never let their relationship drop out of sight because Bertram was so rich. So because of their selfishness, they have never let their relationship with him drop out of sight. So this sentence shows the greed of the family of Suzanne. Talking about the present gift habits of the rich, Eleanor says that their habits remain in the underdeveloped condition. Then Suzanne and Eleanor plan to get an expensive gift from Bertram and wait for him to carry out their ambush, their planning. The word ambush is generally used for an army unit lying in wait for the enemy to make a surprise attack. So this word is commonly used for an army unit which is lying in wait for the enemy to make a surprise attack on his or in their on their enemy. Similarly, the author, while talking about the two women, Suzanne and Eleanor, and their plan to get a silver fox fur from the rich man, calls them fur trappers. In the same manner, the author of this story, Fur, while talking about the both ladies, Suzanne and Eleanor, and they are planning to get a silver fox fur as a birthday gift for Suzanne from that rich man Bertram. The author calls them as fur trappers. He says that they are making plan to trap Suzanne's cousin Bertram, so they are acting like fur trappers. So, students, this is the answer to our today's question. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.